Hello, dear students. It's Teacher Sarah. Today, we are going to learn how to make a moodscape. It's a combination of your mood or emotion in a landscape drawing or painting. Before we begin, let's review about color and how to achieve harmony. Colors can help create the mood or communicate an emotion in a painting. Complementary colors are selected from opposite sides of the color wheel, like the classic red and green or blue and orange. An analogous color scheme makes use of the colors that are beside each other on the color wheel, like yellow, yellow-orange, orange, or blue, blue-green, and green. Monochromatic colors are derived from a single hue or color and made into a variety of tints, tones, or shades by adding white, black, or both. There are several more color schemes that artists use, but today we'll focus on these three. Now let's prepare the materials for this activity. You may choose to use between dry or wet medium. Are you ready? Let's begin! First, choose a landscape as your subject. It could be a natural scenery from the Philippines. Next, select the kind of color scheme that you want to use. In this video, I will be showing you how to make all three. First, I will show you how to make this moodscape with complementary colors. Take one whole sheet of paper and cut it in half. Let's start by drawing the outlines of the landscape with light lines using our pencil. Next, fill in the color. It's good to try out the colors first before you put it on paper. For my complementary colors, I will be using different tints and shades of blue and orange to communicate the warm and cool feeling of summer. When identifying what colors to put, try to think about contrast and how the shape can stand out. Next, I will show you how I made a moodscape using analogous colors. I selected colors yellow, yellow-orange, and orange for this one, but you can choose up to 6 colors for as long as they are beside each other on the color wheel. I added blue, blue-green, and green. Again, make sure to outline the shapes first before adding the colors. Lastly, I will show you how to achieve a monochromatic painting. Here, I will use orange as the base color of my painting. To create tints, you may add white paint or add more water to make it lighter. Here, I'm using tissue to create cloud silhouettes in the sky. To change the tone of the color, you can add black and white to the base color. This may create a somewhat muddy effect, but it will help create some contrast on your painting. To produce shades, you can add a little bit of black to create darker colors. You may add more layers of paint to the dried areas if you want it to be more vibrant. Again, don't forget to add the details using markers or pens. Once you are happy with your painting or drawing, take a photo of your work and submit it. Well done, everyone! I hope you enjoyed making your moodscape. See you in our next class!